Hey, so today I wanted to quickly share with you my super healthy and super easy strawberry jam recipe, which you can enjoy completely guilt-free. It does not contain any artificial sweeteners, preservatives, or processed sugars. It's all natural. It only requires 3 ingredients: strawberries, chia seeds, and a bit of honey. Like if you go to a grocery store and get their regular jam, 2 tablespoons of that jam contains nearly 20 to 30 grams of sugar. Well, my recipe contains nowhere near that amount. The natural sweetness of the strawberries are just about enough, but I like to add a little bit of honey just to enhance that sweet flavor even more. And the chia seeds help it create that thick, jammy consistency and provide extra nutrition and fiber. Chia seeds are high in omega-3s and protein, and also help promote hair growth. Chia seeds provide an abundance of essential amino acids that help promote long and healthy hair. By the way, if you want to know more tips on how to grow long and healthy hair, be sure to watch my previous video. I've got some helpful tips there. Anyways, let's move on and I'll show you how to make my jam. Oh, but before we get started, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Wow, these blue jays though. So loud. Must be mating season. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I live a healthy lifestyle here in Beverly Hills. And find me on Instagram too. I post a lot of food and life stories straight out of Beverly Hills.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? Is it you? You can't say I haven't tried to cross this great divide. Your feelings come and go, but I still love you so. There is nothing I won't do to make this dream come true. Darling, you can walk away, but I'll keep coming back to you.
One of my favorite ways to eat this jam is actually in my oatmeal for breakfast. I just love to put this right into the oatmeal with some other berries and peanut butter. And it tastes like a peanut butter and jelly flavored oatmeal. I love it. It's so good.
Baby, why can't you sleep at night? Tell me lies, I just wanna know the truth. Do or die, is it me or is it you? Is it you?
This jam is so good and so healthy that it's healthy enough to just be eaten on its own with a spoon. Or you can also obviously spread it on the toast, or like I'm doing here, I'm just having a snack with a muffin and loads of that jam. Oh, and peanut butter, because peanut butter is life.
But I'll keep coming back to you.
I just made myself some green tea, so I'm just gonna sit out on the patio and drink this and enjoy this view. Anyways, I hope you try this recipe at home, and if you do, tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your creations. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!